All right, part 3 of the video. We're about to go into Hudson Yards. And let's see. Let's go. Let's go. No worries. No, why be sorry? Thanks. All right, so that was cool. That was worth it. Again, these videos I do is mostly for anybody who's new, who wants to come to the city, take a look, visit some nice places, take nice moments, enjoy it with someone, enjoy it by themselves. These videos are meant for that. It's to help others out and kind of give them a perspective of how the city is and great things the city has, even during a tough time the whole world is facing with the pandemic. So again, and this is pretty cool because this is a railroad that's leading over here with the Hudson Yards, and whoever thought of this idea was pretty cool. As you see, it's a railroad. And now we can go into this beautiful area over here. All right, thanks. You too. All right. Beautiful areas. And here's that very famous and popular building. You have some stores over here. IWC, watches, Rolex. There's shops in here. subscribe again.